Good morning, everybody. It's Artsy Annie, and I can finally make my big announcement that I've been waiting so impatiently for 2 weeks to make. It got delivered yesterday, so let me flip my camera around and show you the big surprise. We got a new workshop, and this is going to be my studio where I can finally get all my art supplies out of the house and into this thing. And then the front of it is going to be a store where my local people, if you can't wait for my next show, you can actually come out to my residence and shop. Let me show you what we got going on the inside. We got to still do a lot of work. We got to build some stairs and a ramp so everybody can get in real easy. Got a little front porch area where we can sit out here and check it out. Look how big it is. I got in here last night, I was so excited, and spray painted and kind of put out my little sections of where I kind of want everything to be so far. We've still got to come in and wire it with power and put all the electrical outlets. We're gonna put another door over here, another window. We still got to do our flooring and paneling, but soon this place is gonna look pretty awesome. So I can't wait to post updates as we go. All right, you guys, I'm excited. See you soon.